Spin Master Monster Jam, Series 1 of the Marvel trucks, and this is Thor. Finally was able to get him off of eBay. Never saw him in the stores. So we get a nice picture, cartoon picture of him on the left-hand side of the front of the card. Let's go ahead and turn it onto the back. Here is what the back looks like. Over here on the left-hand side, you can show you where the flag for Thor goes in. It shows you. I can show it even better whenever I unbox it. Here's the other 3 trucks in this series. And then in the background here is kind of like how a comic book kind of looks like with the different pages and everything. So that's interesting how they did that. So let's go ahead and unbox Thor. Here is the team flag for Thor. With Thor out of the package, we get the BKT lettering on the tires, a dark bluish for the wheels, and a silver chassis, and then a red base for him. And so the name of the truck is on the side, and also the Monster Jam logo. So with the other Marvel superheroes, I've seen that they have kind of like the front clip is the chest area, and then they go for the helmet area is in the middle, and then for the back for the superhero is what's kind of like on the back. In this case, it is the red cape for Thor. And so in the front chest area, front clip looks like that. And then Thor's helmet. And these are like, these are rubber, I believe, hard rubber. And then we have his cape, which I just mentioned, goes like that. And then they also have his hammer that he uses and throws. So the handle is rubber. And so let's go ahead, and the name of the truck on the back, we have Thor. So that's pretty neat. And we also now have the team flag. So I'll just slide the team flag in, just like that. And there we have it, Thor. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thank you for tuning in.